Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock the bootloader on Samsung Galaxy A41. Okay, but before we begin you need to have in mind that if you unlock the bootloader, the phone will perform the factory reset and everything will be erased. So for example, before you can create a backup of the data. Now open up the settings and we need to connect to the Wi-Fi. So go to connections, Wi-Fi and select available network and connect to it. Then hit the button to confirm. Okay, once we are connected we can go back. Now scroll all the way down, go to About Phone, tap on Software Information, and now we need to tap on the build number 7 times in a row real quick until we see the sentence Developer Mode has been enabled. And then go back to the main page of the settings, scroll down, now we have developer options, tap on that, and in here we have OEM unlocking feature. We just need to enable it, confirm, and now our bootloader isn't fully unlocked yet. Now we need to go to the special menu to do it. So now we need to turn off our phone, hold the power key and volume down to launch the power menu and select power off. Okay, and now to enter that special menu that I was talking about before, you need to have the USB-C cable that it's connected to your computer as well. Computer needs to be turned on also. And now we need to hold both volume keys at the same time, and while we are holding those buttons we need to insert the cable to our phone. And when you insert the cable, don't release volume keys, keep holding them until you see a menu. So volume up and volume down, insert the cable, keep holding, and when you see this menu, you can release. Now we need to hold volume up for a little bit until we see the question unlock bootloader. We want to confirm, so now we gotta click volume up. Okay, now the bootloader is unlocked. We will see the sentence, yeah, bootloader already unlocked. So for example, now we are ready to install custom recoveries and custom ROMs. Let's wait until the phone turns on. We'll also go through the setup process and we will verify everything in developer options once again. So for now we can unplug the cable. Of course, remember that the phone is performing the factory reset right now. I was telling that in the beginning of the video. So now we gotta keep waiting until the phone turns on. We'll go quickly through the setup and we'll verify everything in the settings. So currently we need to wait. Okay, the phone has turned on, as you can see. Now let's hit the arrow to start the setup. Select your language, click on next, then click on next once again. Select that you agree, next, agree. I'm skipping the Wi-Fi, so thanks to that the setup will be much faster. I don't want to copy any of my data. Okay, next. More, accept. I'm skipping the screen lock as well. Okay, all set up, click on finish. And now let's verify the bootloader fully. So again, we need to connect to the Wi-Fi, open up the settings. The phone may be a little bit laggy because, you know, that's all device and we have just finished the setup. Connect to available network. Hit the button to confirm. Okay, once we are connected, we can go back. Again, about phone, software information, tap on the build number until developer mode is enabled. Scroll down, developer options. And if you don't see the OEM unlocking feature just like me, don't worry. Sometimes all you gotta do is to go back, click on software update, and hit on download and install. You don't need to install this update. If it starts, you can manually pause it. We are doing this because thanks to that, we are automatically connecting to the Samsung server. And then when we go back to developer options, the OEM unlocking feature appears. And it needs to look exactly like that. So the OEM unlocking feature is enabled, but the whole feature, the whole service is like, you know, unavailable. You can even see that it's gray, like it's not working, but it needs to look exactly like that. Also, we need to see the sentence, bootloader already unlocked. Now our bootloader is fully unlocked and we can now, for example, flash the custom ROMs and custom recoveries. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.